guys, I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel. I talk about all things beauty, makeup, fashion, travel. I mean, pretty much what makes a personality, right? So today I'm going to talk about something interesting, which is also very challenging, especially for brown skin. Yeah. I don't know about you, but I have really faced this challenge, you know. Um, I've always seen people looking lovely on those, brown nude lipsticks. But what really happens with my skin type is that whenever I go try something, it mostly kind of washes me out. So I really used to struggle to find the right nude shade, which kind of looks nice, classy, but also doesn't fade me out. So I did a lot of experiment. I think I would have tried some 30, 40 lipsticks and, all kind of formulations, but like I said, you don't have to do that because I did the trial and error so that you can buy what's right for you. Okay, so we're going to try today some of the brown lipsticks, which are my favorites. I'm going to kind of cover all kind of formulations, so bullet to liquid to tint to everything, so that you kind of get the flavor of all kinds of formulation, and then you can pick and choose of what works for you. Like I said, I have done that experimentation, guys, so you don't have to do it. What I'm going to tell you are only top ones which really, really work. So I'm not going to talk about the plethora of them and waste your time. I'm just going to focus on something that really works for our skin type, which is brown skin type. Okay. Let me quickly start with the first one. This is a balm foam. Okay. This is a Dior one in the shade, it's called Dior Addict Lip Glow in the shade Mahogany. Now guys, I have finished this. Like, I am not kidding. You can see I have really finished this. It's gone. But I don't want to let it go because I literally kind of put my finger, or I really use the brush and try and use as much as possible, because one, again, it's on a pricey side, so you want to kind of use it till the end. But this is really good, and mostly it's sold out, guys. Like, it's very difficult to find the stock online as well. So it's mostly sold out, but it is amazing. It is amazing for brown skin. So please give it a try. This is Mahogany Dior Addict Lip Glow. Okay. Let me see if I can swatch it for you, for whatever little I have left with. See, so this is just a nice kind of brown shade, not again too heavy. It gives you a beautiful glow, very, very moisturizing, guys. And you obviously don't need to kind of touch up every now and then. It pretty much lasts for, I think, at least 4 to 5 hours before you touch up again. So this looks really nice, guys. Let me see if I can try some more. See, this is how it looks like. Yeah, so this is very good. Please give it a try. See if you can see it online, or if you want to go to the store to try it. Sephora, it's very difficult to find, guys. Mostly it's sold out, so try online if it's possible for you. The next one I'm going to talk about is it's called Coca Bold. This is by Too Faced. See, it's a nice bullet lipstick. It's got a magnet, so that's pretty cool, and the packaging is really nice. This is how the shade looks like. Okay, guys, I'm new to this, but I'll try and see how you kind of show this. Okay, so this is how the shade looks like. I'm wearing it. Let me kind of show it to you. So this is how the shade looks like. It's called Coca Bold Too Faced. Again, beautiful, nice nude brown. Won't wash out our skin type. So you can definitely give it a try. It's super hydrating. I'll also obviously link all the products in the description so you can check them out. But this is again a very, very good recommendation from my side. The third one we are going to talk about is the liquid formulation. It's more on the tint side and less very liquid formulation. But this is by Rare Beauty. Let me see if I can kind of swatch it for you on my lips so that you get a clear idea. This is very very tint formulation. It is not thick, it is very very light, it stays for a very long time, and again something that really suits our complexion if you want to keep it subtle and classy, like I always say. This is something that you can definitely give it a shot. Now this is in the shade Honesty. Again, it is pretty much sold out in most Sephora's, but again you can try it online, maybe you'll find it. It's called Honesty and it's in the lip oil range that they have. I have tried most of their colors, but I definitely find this one really, really complimenting our skin type. So try it, and it's very easy going. You don't feel anything on your lips, so which is what is great, right? Like on everyday basis, you're just stepping out to just catch up with a friend. You don't want to put in too much makeup and look very, like made up for your friend. So this is something that you can give it a try. This is my third recommendation. Now the fourth one, again, it is by Dior. It is their lip tint. It is called Natural Sienna. Okay, it is called Natural Sienna. It is again very tint formulation. This is how the bottle looks like. So guys, I'm learning all this, so please excuse me. This is how the bottle looks like. Again, very tinted formulation. See, this is how the wand looks like. Let me swatch it and see if you can see. So this one is how this looks like. You can see it's very thin consistency. In terms of consistency, it's very good. Thin formulation, more of a tint and less of a lipstick. So again, very good one. You can give it a try. Like I told you, I don't regret buying any Dior products, guys. They're really, really good. The other one that I'm going to recommend is a very old one. This is by L'Oreal. I'm not sure. Actually, this is something that I've had for almost an year now. So I don't know if they still have it or if they changed the formulation or if it's called something else. I don't know. But this is in the shade 116 Explore. This is a liquid lipstick. I have my dogs have kind of literally chewed this, so but I can't let it go, guys. So this is really good. Again, works very well for our kind of skin tone. Little bit on, it is actually a liquid formulation, so this is a little thicker in terms of, guys, this is the color. So this is how the color looks like. This is more liquidy in its formulation, but again works very well on our skin type. It's called Explore 116. You can check it out if it's available, or you can check with those guys if something similar to the shade is available. You can try it out. Very, very good. A must have in your collection. Again, very affordable and something which is, you can put it in your bag and use it on the go kind of, usage. Now, the last one that I have for you is, this is called Nuit Pourpre. Okay, it's difficult to kind of pronounce this, but this is by Lancome. Again, a nice, this is a little bit on a darker brown shade. If you want to go like one level darker, and if, like, for example, I'd love to wear a nice white outfit and I can go a little bit darker in terms of my shade of brown on it, but I don't generally use too dark a shade if my outfit color is also very dark. So that's just a rule that I have, when I dress up. So if you can also kind of give it a try. So this is something which is a little darker in color, and this is how it looks like. So this one, guys, so if you really see, right, amongst all, this is the darkest brown. This is how it looks like. Let me see if I can kind of, give it a try on my face so that you know exactly how it looks and it's not too dark. See, so you can figure out, right? Like it is shade darker or probably the darkest brown shade that I have. Another one I don't have, the I don't have it with me right now, but this is there's one shade called Coffee in Your Creme by MAC. I think it is beautiful. I think you should also give that. I've almost finished it, so I could not, I did not rebuy it because I have like others which I need to finish. So just being a little wise there, but you can also try that. It's called Coffee in Your Creme by MAC. It is also very good shade, good formulation. But only thing this, I just felt that obviously does not stay for too long. So the need to touch up is very high. So these are my recommendation for, for my brown skin. And these are beautiful nude brown lipsticks which won't wash you out, which looks very classy, pretty much can go on most outfits, and you don't have to worry about what to match it with, etc. So yeah, give it a try, guys, and let me know what you think. If there's something else that you want me to try, if you have other recommendations, something that you don't like out of this, I am all ears to everything that you have to say. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Okay, bye, love you.